What's going on, everybody? F4LESS Roller here, flying out my oldest 23 kit. 2023 kit. Oh my god. Sorry, I've been sick. My throat is dry. A lot of coughing. Talking still makes my throat itchy. I have no idea what the heck we caught, but man, my son's been home for 3 days now, so he has not even gone back to school. November 1st, man, we got snow. Snow. You know, pushing up the birds. Yesterday they flew, today they're flying again. The cold is definitely playing a part on them. But they are going. I got a few young birds that I've been trying to get motivated to fly. That one right there. That's one of them that I'm trying to get motivated to fly. So I have some very, very young birds in there that have never flown before. So I am trying to get them motivated to fly. So I'm putting them with the older birds, you know, to teach them the rope. Like, hey man, before you get fed, you need to fly. You know, I got 3 birds that I put in here. But yeah, guys. Oh my god, I'm getting a call coming in, so I gotta let you guys go. But yeah, this is the kit right now. 2023, the oldest kit right now. Alright, F4LESS Roller, we out.